Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect web application with Database Easy Guide. Start by choosing a database and driver for your web framework. Next, configure connection settings like host, port, user, password, and pool size. Test the connection locally, then add environment variables for secrets and use migrations to create tables. Finally, monitor connections and errors, and iterate on pooling and indexing for stable performance. Pick a driver or ORM based on project complexity and team experience. Drivers give raw SQL power, while ORMs speed development with models and migrations. Configure retry logic and connection pooling to avoid dropped requests and leaks. Keep queries efficient by selecting only needed columns and adding indexes for frequent filters. Run load tests or simulate traffic to validate concurrency and optimize pool sizes before deploying to production. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep stress-free and keep lunches untouched by spills, which oddly helps when you're debugging late. They stack neatly and seal tight for commuting developers who eat at their desks. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Secure credentials using environment variables or a secret manager, and avoid committing secrets to source control. Enable TLS for database connections and restrict access with firewalls or private networks to reduce attack surface. Apply least privilege to database users and rotate credentials on a schedule. Automate backups and periodically test restores so you can recover from failures. Monitor logs and alerts to catch anomalies early and respond quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.